Good morning. This is a quick set of instructions for how to complete your Age of Exploration project number 2, which is some research you're going to do on an explorer and an infographic. So you're going to obviously click here on Age of Exploration project number 2. You'll see that you should hopefully be doing right now the very first thing, which is watching the infographic instructions. And so the first thing you're going to click on is this Google Doc that says Explorer Research Project. You'll click here. You'll obviously read through the big idea and the task. Basically, this project is asking students to practice their research skills, practice how we write in our own words, and look for the significance of what we read. We don't need to keep all of the information, so we want to practice how do we find information, sift through it, and then write it in our own words. So you're going to come down here to this table here, and you're going to pick one of these explorers, whichever one you would like to do. You'll notice that for each of them, if you hover it over, you'll notice that there is a link. And when you click on it, you will get an opportunity to go to a site that has information about that particular person. So there is a link for all of them that should provide you the information that you need for your research. So you're going to choose one. Once you open the site, this is the information that you're going to look for. What country did they explore for? Be careful with this one. It doesn't necessarily mean it's from where they are from. So you want to kind of be careful to read that. When did they take their trip or trips? Some of them took multiple trips. So you want to it might be a span of time. Where did they go? And again, could be more than one place. And then most importantly, the big part of this research is going to be this last question. What is the lasting impact? Why is this explorer more significant than other people who went places? Did they use kinds of technology that didn't exist before? Did they go somewhere that no one had been before? Did they have a relationship with the people who they met, either good or bad? And you want to think about what is their long-term significance. And so that's going to be something you're going to write more about than obviously the first three. Please be careful. Do not copy and paste from the website that I gave up here as your research. You need to practice. That's part of the skills that we're working on in 7th grade is how do we do research? How do we look for information? But then how do we put that information in our own words without copying and pasting right from a source? So you want to be practicing that. That's something that in particular we look for a lot in 7th and 8th grade before you get to high school when they just give you zeros for the work if it's not yours. So we want to keep practicing that. And then you're going to take this information and you're going to put it in the infographic. So once you've chosen your explorer and you've read through their information and you look for your research, the second thing you'll do is you will click on this explorer infographic. This is going to open and give you your own copy. And then what you'll do is you are obviously going to put in your information. So up here, you're obviously going to delete this and you're going to write in the name of your explorer. You're going to come over here. You're going to delete this text. And then here, what you do is if you right click on this, you can go to replace image. That's where you can go to Google Images, find a picture of your explorer, save it to your computer or to your Google Drive. And then if you hit replace image, you can put it right in there and it'll go right in the spot that I have SpongeBob. All right. Same with over here. You will delete the text that's at the top. And right here, you will replace the image by finding a map of where your explorer went. So make sure it's not just a map of the world. It needs to be a map that shows where your person went. And you're going to have to go to Google Images and kind of look around for that and then save it to your computer and then insert it in. Then down here, you're going to delete the text and you're going to put in the information. Where did your person, what country did they explore for? When did they take their trips? Again, delete and write yours in here. This section here, you'll delete it, and then this is going to be an explanation that goes with your map that explains where did they go, what different places did they explore. Down here, you are going to put whatever image you would like, so you get to pick here that you think would relate to your explorer. Don't choose a map or the picture of him again. You can choose something else that you think would be important that goes along with what you're going to write over here. And again, this is the one section that needs to be in complete sentences. And this is going to be probably your longest part. So you'll delete this, and then you're going to write basically your paragraph here about what is the lasting impact of the exploration. And that's your infographic. And then you're going to turn this in to Google Classroom when you are finished. And then that's it for the project. And then you'll be done, and you can turn it in on Odyssey-ware. If you have any kinds of problems or difficulties, by all means, please let me know. Good luck, and I'm excited to see what kind of cool things you guys find.